Hey everyone, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to visit my channel. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of the Bookcase Club subscription service. If this interests you, please continue watching my video. So I'm super excited about my second Bookcase Club unboxing. This is the box that it comes in. It's about a medium-sized box. Again, like I normally do, I have just cut the tape to help me unbox a little bit easier. If you've watched the first unboxing, it goes into more detail about the box. It is total $16.05. That includes shipping for 2 books. Last time, these 2 books right here were 2 hardback books that I got. They were the mystery thriller genre. I also did another mystery thriller genre again this go around, so I might switch it up next time and try one of the other genres that they have available. Again, the site is BookCase.Club.com if you're interested in signing up for the service. I'll also have the link to the website in the description box below as well. So if you watched also, I'll also link the update to the first Bookcase Club that I did, and I talked in it that it is only worth the price if you enjoy the books that you received. So that month of January, I really enjoyed that box. So I'm excited to see which ones I got this go around. So again, here is the box. Opening it up, and the books came in, again, tissue paper with the logo and everything that goes with it. Okay, so let's see what books I received this time around. All right, who do we have? So the last 2 books, again, if you haven't watched that previous video, one book was set in England and one book was set in Australia, so they're kind of all over, it seems like. And also 2 more hardback books, so that is awesome. All right, so the first book is by Sandra Brown. It is called Seeing Red. So this is what this cover looks like. So it says, Cara Bailey is a TV journalist hot on the trail of a story guaranteed to skyrocket her career to new heights. 25 years ago, Mayor Franklin Trapper became a national icon when he was photographed leading a handful of survivors to safety after the bombing of a Dallas hotel. For years, he gave frequent speeches and interviews, but then suddenly dropped out of the public eye, shunning all media. Now, Cara is willing to use any means necessary to get an exclusive with the mayor, even if she has to secure an introduction from his estranged son, former ATF agent John Trapper. Still seething over his break with both the ATF and his father, Trapper wants no association with the bombing or the mayor. Yet Cara's hints that there's more to the story rouse Trapper's interest despite himself. And when the interview goes catastrophically awry, with unknown assailants targeting not only the mayor, but also Cara, Trapper realizes he needs her under wraps if he's going to track down the gunmen and finally discover who was responsible for the Dallas bombing. Cara is wary of a man so charming one moment and dangerous the next, and she knows Trapper is withholding evidence from his ATF investigation into the bombing. But having no one else to trust and enemies lurking closer than they know, Cara and Trapper join forces and risk their very lives to expose a sinuous network of lies and conspiracy and uncover who would want a national hero dead. So again, this book retails in the US for $27 and in Canada $35. So again, this book by itself has paid for the entire box. And if you hear the scratching in the background, that's Nick's playing with the tissue paper in the box. So again, this book, it sounds really interesting. A lot of intrigue going on in that. So I can't wait to dive into that book a little bit more. So the second book is called The Mentor by Lee Matthew Goldberg. So this one looks like this. Kind of looks like a stacks of books or papers going on in the background. So it's Mentor. Okay. So, and it's a thriller. Okay, let's see what this one might be about. Okay. So Kyle Broder has achieved his lifelong dream of becoming an editor at a major publishing house. When he's contacted by his favorite college professor, William Lansing, Kyle couldn't be happier, especially after William mentions that he's been writing a novel. That the idea of being his mentor's editor is a dream come true. But William's manuscript is the most depraved story Kyle has ever read. After Kyle politely rejects the novel, William becomes obsessed, threatening Kyle's career, his relationship with his girlfriend, and even his life. As Kyle dwells into more of this psychopath's work, it begins to resemble a cold case from his college town. William's work is looking increasingly like a true crime confession, one in which Kyle may just end up starring. Lee Matthew Goldberg's The Mentor is a twisty, nail-biting thriller that explores how the love of words can lead to a deadly obsession, with the fate of all those connected and hanging in the balance. So again, this particular book retails for $25.99 in the US and $36.99 in Canada. So again, another book that sounds really interesting, and I can't wait to start diving into these next two books. This BookCase.Club seems to have come a little bit late, so I'm getting a little bit later start on them. But again, just like last time, I will do an update when I finish both and let you know, did I think overall, was it worth paying the $16.05 for the two books? Again, it's only worth it if I enjoy the books. So that kind of concludes this unboxing of the BookCase.Club. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.